Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming with a new look inside and out, looking very sleek. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with your box so that you have good access to your back seat. Where you have seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then down here in the middle you have two fold-out cup holders, as well as a USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt power outlet. And now looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, looking around, all new interior, looking very nice. And looking at the right side of the steering wheel, where you have your controls to cycle through your information on your center info screen here, such as a digital speedometer, your trip 1 information, can also cycle through to your trip 2, I would assume. And then you have your, you have your driver assistance settings or status, your fuel economy, your comm screen, and then your digital speedometer again can also go further into your service information and all of that from there. And then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom side of both sides, and then you have your cruise controls here with your lane keeping system. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, or sorry, just radio and Bluetooth. So you do have options there to listen to your own music and enjoy yourself. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have a separate features screen here with your driver assistance features, towing information, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything, with rear park assist sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, and dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, so when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. You'll also have your camera view again without switching into reverse. And then you have your hazards and your traction control shut off there. Moving down from your screen you have your physical media controls and then your climate controls. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 selector with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector with a couple of options there, such as normal, slippery, deep snow and sand, and mud ruts. And then you can go in the opposite direction for tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt power outlet as well as a USB and USB-C. And up here you have this button which opens this other separate compartment above your glove box, so you have some storage there. And then moving down you have another 12-volt as well as another USB and USB-C with a nice shelf here for all of your stuff, whatever you want to put in there, device while it's charging, whatever. Moving on to your center console, where you have two cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment with plenty of room in there for even more storage, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you like the new look of the 2021 Ford F-150, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.